cost me 996. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I am Prakriti. How are you all? I hope you guys are doing absolutely fine. So today in this video, I'll be showing you all what are the things that I got from Myntra. So recently Myntra पे बहुत अच्छा sale चल रहा था. This called what end of the season sale or end of the season sale, something like that. और nevertheless one day or another Myntra पे हमेशा एक sale रहता है. You get such discounted products on there. So all the things were under 1500 ish, all budget friendly. So I shopped some from H&M. Also I tried this time other brands. So these are all the basics that I got that are summer friendly, summer appropriate. Also the one I'm wearing right now, it's part of this haul. So before jumping into the video, if you are coming here for the first time, then hi, I'm Prakriti. I make videos related to makeup, beauty content and hauls on this channel. So if you are interested, please subscribe to my channel to see more such contents. So without any further delay, now let's quickly jump into the video. Okay, so the first thing first is this towel right here that I have told you guys is a part of this haul, and I got it recently. This is from the brand called Kazo. It's a quite famous brand right there for western wears. I really love the brand. Also the piece I got from this is so beautiful, so vibrant color that makes the summer so brighter. But this one is an exceptional because I have to think for certain occasions also where I can wear this. Also my birthday is coming for that reference. So I got this one. I really love it, how beautifully designed this shirt top is. It is open from this front to the side opening here, all the button lines going on here. I really love it, how cinched, how hugged the shirt. It puts an effect through the button line, how it's going on. I really love it. And the sleeve is 3/4, not full. That's also something I really enjoy to wear, and it got this very nice collar right here going on. I really love this. The material of this one is polyester. It's not that summer friendly, but you need to have something to wear for special occasions. For that you can consider it. And I got this one for rupees, let me check it from Myntra. So I got this one for rupees 996, and so it is under rupees 1000. Whatever you can expect more than this. So I really love it. Okay, it's thundering outside. Also at the same time my skin color looks so खिला हुआ, मुझे बहुत पसंद होता है ऐसे kind of tops and ऐसे kind of colors. So blue is one of my favorite color indeed. So yeah, I really loved it. So this is the first one. So I got this one in the size medium for the reference, and my height is 5'8". Okay, so this is the next one. This one is from different brand other than H&M. I often shop from H&M. All the basics I try to get from there, and also there are certain brands. Their products are really good, and वो टक्कर देते हैं H&M का. वो भी मैं Myntra से shop करती हूँ for the t-shirts. But this one I got a shirt, black shirt. This is the first time I am trying from this brand. It's called the Styly करके कुछ brand का नाम है या. So the name is like STYLI, the Styly. So I had an eye on this brand for a long time now, and they sell such amazing shirts. So I wanted a really oversized black shirt for a long time now. But the thing is that when I tried it on myself, so basically, so this is a shirt. Let me show you first. This is how it looks like. It's little different from the image that was shown on the picture, but anyways I really liked it. But मेरे को क्या लगता है, after trying, what I feel like it's a little bit oversized, and I got it in the size large. I should have taken it medium, then it would have been really perfect on me. But anyways, this is how it looks like. It's a very regular simple black shirt. Nonetheless, it got this frill kinds of details going on the sleeves. So it's a full sleeve shirt, and it got a collar as well. I really love it because how breathable the material is. It's synthetic on the synthetic side, but let me tell you what the material it's made up of. Okay, so as I was telling, if you can see in the picture, I don't know if it's properly visible or not, but I will put the picture as well on the screen for the reference. But the stitches were really out there. It's looking very nice on the picture, but as a hakikat mein, when I got it on my hands, it's very much plain and simple. Know that the cross stitches are going on right there. You can't really see or that visible. Even on the camera itself you can't see. So I'm quite disappointed with the fact, but other than that I love it. And the sleeve is nice, but it's a little bit bigger than the size I should have owned. I should have ordered on the first place. So this shirt is in polyester again, the material, but this one is much more breathable than the one I'm wearing right now. This one also polyester, but this is a thicker material than the black shirt right here going on. So I got this in the size large, and I got this for rupees 704, that is 704. Okay, so moving to the next items, this all out there, all I'll be showing after. From now itself I'll be showing all the things that I got from H&M. Okay, so I shopped quite a lot from H&M, and I also got H&M ka jewelry as well, but I'm keeping that for my next video. Okay, the first thing I'll be showing you all is a parachute trouser that I got from H&M. It looks something like this, and this is the length. The length is quite shorter. I have tried it on myself, after that I'm saying you. Also, I was expecting this to be having more pockets, only it got 2 pockets on the side, and it also has this fake kind of effect, fake pockets, but these are not the actual one, this is the effect. So the material is of course parachute material it got, and it's a very nice baggy trouser right there. So I usually wear 30 size, but somewhere I got it in the size 32, thinking it to be more baggier than the one I would have got in 30. But the thing is, इसमें length भी मेरे को कम मिला है. Kamar is very much, you know, bigger than what I'm expecting. इसको मैं ये drawstring से adjust कर सकती हूँ, but the length is really off for me, so I think I'll be returning this one. But I love it. The plus point would have been कि इसमें अगर more pockets होता तो बहुत ही अच्छा होता. So this parachute trouser, I got it in the size 32 as I've said, and this one cost me 899, that is 900. So it's a great deal for 900 rupees. Material से मुझे कोई issue नहीं है, just the thing is length a little bit off for me. So I'm 5'8", so मेरे को length issues है. If you want to buy, think accordingly your height and measurements, and you know, if you give the correct size, like if you're wasting 30 or 32, go for the exact size. You'll be getting it in a perfect way, because it's really baggy, so you don't need to search for that extra bagginess, and तुमको drawstring से भी कमर पे नहीं चढ़े तो वो दिक्कत हो जाएगा, lose fitted. So go for the exact size, you will be getting absolutely perfect one if the length issues is not a big deal for you. So yeah, this is the first trouser I got from H&M. Okay, so moving to the next one from H&M that I got to wear with this trouser. So this one is a very, you know, ashy grey color trouser, the parachute one I have shown you right now. And now what I'll be showing you is something I thought that I will pair up with the trouser I got, the parachute one. So this one, yeah, so this one is the fitted top. So this is in a very nice, you know, green, ashy green kind of color, and I really love how the color is. So yeah, this is how it looks like. I really love it. The color is very beautiful, and this material is very different. It's like a parachute kind of material I can feel. But let me tell you, this is again polyester. I just searched it and found that this is again polyester that I got from H&M. I don't know why all the products from H&M are turning to be polyester these days. So yeah, this is the very cute little top, and this gives me such racial kind of vibes, you know, from Friends. I love this. I should have got a size up than the one I ordered. So thoda sa size mein gadbad ho gaya. I am shopping for a very, like after a long time now from Myntra. So mere size issues mein thoda sa gadbad ho hi gaya this time. So yeah, but nevertheless I love how beautiful, how, you know, isko na main gym mein bhi pehan sakti hu. That kind of material it is. Gym ka jo bhi kapda hota hai na, very polyester, that is something I can expect from out of this top. So let me tell you what it cost me. It cost me 503 rupees. The color is very pretty. I love this one, how it is, and thoda sa to sweat proof bhi ho jata hai because of the material, and nice. Okay, so moving to the second last one from H&M. Okay, so this is a very beautiful t-shirt. I absolutely love this. This one a cotton t-shirt, not like the polyester one. So this is how it look like. I love this one. I got it in the size small because it was saying it is very much baggy and oversized t-shirt that H&M offers. So I got it in the size small. I have medium from H&M. It's a t-shirt जो भी oversize में आता है. That was really baggy on me. So I got it in the size small and it is absolutely perfect. The color is grey color, ash grey color. I love it and how beautifully a black से कुछ print किया गया है. Basic things. I love prints on my t-shirt, so that gives a very much summer vibes to me. So I like plain t-shirt as well, but थोड़ा सा print मेरे को और भी ज़्यादा अच्छा लगता है. So this is a classic color, and I paired up with this one. I paired up with a H&M trouser as well. It's a kind of jogger thing. I will be showing you next. So this is how it look like. I love it. I really love it. And in summer में तो बहुत ही अच्छा. You feel so good. The skin feels really blessed. You know how breathable the material is. So this is very basic. I'll be wearing it outside 2 to 3 times. Then I'll be wearing it in my home. So yeah, this is how it look like. Let me tell you about the price and everything in details about it. It is also the 100% cotton t-shirt. So I got this t-shirt for rupees 700. So yeah, it's a nice deal. Usually the H&M t-shirt cost you 1000 and 1200. 900 to 1200 is the range of this kind of t-shirt. So on sale, it's I think a good discounted one. So I love it. This is the second last one. Now moving to the last one of the haul, and that is, I'm thankful that I got hands on them. So, okay, so moving to the last one of this haul, and this is my absolute favorite one. So basically it's a trouser that I wanted to pair up with the t-shirt I have shown you right now, and this looks so good. The combination overall, I just love it. How comfortable it is. So let me show you. This is how the cargo cum trouser looks like. It's a khaki color, like a green, sage green khaki color. I love this one, not sage, the green khaki color. And it got so many functional pockets. That's the best part of this trouser overall. So I love it. It got like 2 sides, one thighs पे भी तुम्हारे 2 pockets आते हैं, तो like 4, and there's another one also at the end of the left leg, right leg. So you get 5 functional pockets. That's like a luxury for a pant to, you know, offer. So I love this one absolutely. This is 100% cotton. I got it in the size 42, yeah, 42, I mean 32 waist side. And let me tell you about the prices and everything in details. Okay, so this is called the H&M's pure cotton cargo trousers. I got it in the size 32, as I have said, and this cost me, so the trouser cost me 1344, that is 1350 around 44, that is 1344. So this is the price of the trouser. I absolutely love it. How beautiful this one. My waist is 32, like 30, but somewhere this fits me so well. This gives like a proper baggy look, and ये थोड़ा सा low waist हो जाता है, तो 32 fits perfect here. So yeah. But having said that, the cargo, it's the one I have shown you, the grey one, is kind of a high waist thing. So go for the exact size of your waist. That is, if it is 30, go for the 30. But my waist is 30, but I went for this one 32, and it absolutely fits me. What I have thought and ordered it came to be perfectly fine. So just go a size up than what you wear, and yeah, I think that will be very fine. Functional pockets, and it looks so good, as well as it's so comfortable. That's the best part of this pants. I love it. So yeah, and the length, let me talk you about the length. The length is so good. Also नीचे तुमको इधर ऐसे एक नॉट सा मिलता है. You can like really stretch it down, या फिर तुम इसको tie up भी कर सकते हो. तो to get that, you know, parachute का जो नीचे tie up वाला portion है, वैसा look पाने के लिए. So you can make it like this as a stretched one. Also you can knot it down. So for that you have this string, drawstring going on right here. So good. So multi-purpose के लिए भी use हो सकता है. So absolutely comfortable. Highly recommend. Okay, so that's it for this video. I hope you liked it, and all the recommendations and all the purchases I have shown you, I gave you the exact sizes, and every link will be there in the description box below for you all to check out. So that's it for this video. I hope you like it. If you did, don't forget to give it a huge fat thumbs up, and I'll be seeing you guys super soon in my next video. Till then, I love you all so very much.